Hello everyone and welcome to another Tooltip Tuesday. I want to today talk to you about the new feature in software version 1.11 at Automark X, and this feature is called Skip Policy, and it lets you create these even gaps on the palette, which is particularly handy for headed tools or for any situation when you want to create extra gaps between workpieces. So I show you now how to do it. So we go into set up a new job. We select our palette, so it'll be 4mm palette for argument's sake. And let's put some tools on those palettes, make it 300. And then we want to space them out evenly. So then you need to look for this new menu, which is called Skip Policy, and it has got 3 options inside. So the most common one is called Checkered Pattern, which when you click on it, it distributes the tools like that. It creates a single pocket gap between all the tools. Another option in the Skip Policy menu is called Space by Rows and Columns, and it lets you decide how many gaps you want to have both horizontally and vertically between tools. And how it works, say for example, if you select 3 in both rows and columns, hit OK, it will create a gap of 2 columns and 2 rows in between the tools, so it spreads your tools even more. And the last option in the Skip Policy menu is called Every Nth Tool. How it works, when you tick it off, it will create an empty pocket in this case, every third tool. So if you hit, you can see that 1, 2, 3, so every third is a gap. And then if you select the invert option, it will just swap tools with pockets and will just create a inverted configuration of those palettes. So here we go. I hope you will find it very helpful. I think it's a very handy tool. It saves a lot of time. So rather than clicking through the palette with many pockets, you can then set up your job in a matter of seconds. So I hope you found it helpful and useful. If you have any questions, please let us know in comments, and we'll see you next Tuesday. Bye for now.